Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these potato and onion rolls. So let's begin. To start on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a large mixing bowl, and into the mixing bowl place your bread flour followed by the salt, and just mix the two until they are fully combined. You can then go ahead and add in the other ingredients, starting with the yeast, followed by the vegan butter or white shortening, and then the water. You'll want to mix everything together over a low speed to start with for 2 minutes, followed by a medium-high speed for a further 6 minutes. You may notice that the dough is a little bit dry, and this is completely normal. Once you add in the potatoes and the onions, it adds the extra moisture that's needed to bring it into a dough, so don't worry if it looks dry. Add in your potato and onions and mix until they are fully incorporated. Around 1 to 3 minutes will work well. You just want it fairly distributed throughout the dough. You can then go ahead and flour your work surface with a small amount of white bread flour. Place your dough on top and give it all a brief knead just until the dough is smooth and elastic. It should still be soft and pillowy. Bring it back into a ball shape and then place it into a lightly oiled bowl and cover loosely with cling film and allow it to prove for around 45 to 60 minutes or until the dough has doubled in size. Once your dough has proved, you can go ahead and flour your work surface, then place your dough onto it and then knock it back. Knocking it back is the process of removing the gases that have built up in the dough during the first proof. It goes to show that all of your ingredients are active, which is great. You'll then want to bring the dough back into a ball shape and take the total weight of the dough. Take that amount and divide it by 12, and then you'll have the weight for each of your balls of dough. You can then go ahead and start to scale the dough to the required weight and round it off into a ball shape using the palm of your hand and the work surface. Round it off and then place it onto a lined baking tray, allowing some space in between each roll so they have room to proof up, as they may batch together. So once you have all 12 balls of dough on your baking tray, you can then go ahead, cover with cling film and allow it to proof for 30 to 45 minutes until they have batched up. Once they have batched up, you can then remove the cling film carefully so you don't rip some of the dough away. Sometimes it does stick to the cling film. You'll then want to place them into your preheated oven and bake them off. All of that information will be in the blog post, which will be linked down below. So here are what the rolls look like once they're fully baked and cooled down. Feel free to use them as dinner rolls or even as slider buns, whichever works best for you. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again on Thursday with another video, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to all of my social media, so don't forget to go and follow me over on there. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.